In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a new partition on your Windows. So let's get started. So first thing that we need to do is we need to open the File Explorer window. So make a right click at the Start button and open File Explorer. Maximize the window. Once you open the File Explorer, simply click on this PC. And here you can find that I have two drives on my Windows, the Windows C drive as to where my operating system has been installed and my Google A drive. So we are going to create a new drive out of this Windows C drive, which is the drive that has the higher capacity. So make sure to back up everything. Okay. Then we have to make a right click on this PC and then you have to select show more options. Click on manage and then the computer management window will appear. Maximize this. And here you'll find this option disk management. Double click and the disk management window will appear. So you'll find all the drives or all the volumes on your Windows. So we need to look for the drive which has the higher capacity and that is the Windows C drive. Make a right click and then select shrink volume. Now wait for the process. Okay, so here you will find this window, shrink Windows C drive. So you'll find in here to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So I'm going to create a almost 10 gigabytes. So I'm just going to type in here 10,000. So 10 gigabytes, that is around 10,000 MB. Okay, 10 gigabytes, that is around 10,000 MB, and click on shrink. Now we have created this 9.77 or almost 10 gigabytes unallocated space. So with this unallocated space, we need to make a right click and then select new simple volume. Click on next to continue. Do not make any changes from here. Just simply click on next. You have to assign the drive letter for the new drive. So let's just choose any of this letter. Click on next. File system, that should be NTFS. Allocation unit size, that should be by default. Volume label, you can simply change this to anything you want. And then for perform a quick format, do not forget to check this option and click on next. Click on finish. And that's it. We have created this new volume or this new partition, which is the D drive. So if I'm going to close this, here we can find in the File Explorer the new drive. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.